you guys! Today I'm going to show you how to recover a Facebook account on an iPhone. So have your phone on hand so you can follow along as we go through. Let's jump right in. So a common reason to recover a Facebook account would be if you forgot your password or for some reason your Facebook isn't letting you log in because of your password. And so you'll have to go in to the part of Facebook where it shows you where you're logged in on all your devices, and there you'll be able to reset your password. So to do this, you're going to launch your Facebook app. You're going to click on your icon in the bottom right corner, and then you're going to scroll down to Settings and Privacy. You'll click on Settings, and then you're going to go to See More in Account Center. And then under Account Settings, you're going to find the Password and Security option. You'll click that, and then you're going to click under Security Checks. You'll have the Where You're Logged In option. So you'll click on Where You're Logged In, and it's going to show me that first option is going to show where I'm logged in on all of my devices. So I'll click on that, and here it shows everywhere I'm currently logged in, and I can log out of all of these devices if I want to. Other thing I can do is if I go back, I can change my password. So I'll click Change Password, and you'll have to select the account you wish to change the password for. If you're finding this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. This helps the channel to grow so that we can reach a larger audience. Thanks so much, and let's get back to the video. Once you're here, because you don't remember your current password, or maybe your current password isn't working, you're going to click the Forgot Your Password option there. And then you're going to be presented with a few different options here as to where they're going to send the code to confirm your identity. So you can send it through WhatsApp, email, text message, or phone call. And once you have that selected, you'll hit Continue. And then through whatever you've chosen, it's going to send you a reset code. And so all you'll do is type in that reset code. You'll hit Continue. And then you'll follow the prompts on the page showing you how to reset your password. Once that password is reset, you're going to log in on your new device, and that should work fine. The next thing I'm going to show you how to do, you'll need a friend or somebody else's Facebook account to do this with. So what you'll do is launch your Facebook, or have your friend launch their Facebook. They're going to search your profile. If they're on your profile, they're going to select the three dots on the right hand side, and they're going to report this profile. Then it's going to bring up some options to select the reason for reporting this profile. If none of these things apply, the last option, Something Else, is a good one to select. The last step, you or your friend is going to want to select Recovered This Account. So once your friend, or once you've logged out of your friend's account, or your friend is finished all of those steps, on your own Facebook page, you'll see the familiar Forgot Your Password option, and it's going to be asking you for some information. So first, you're going to want to enter your email in the text box, and then you'll press the search button to view a list of possible matched accounts. And once you find yours, you'll click on yours, and then you'll choose a preferred contact method, or you can select that you no longer have access to any of these. If you do have access to these though, you'll hit Continue, and you'll wait for Facebook to send you a code again. Then you'll enter that code that you've received, and you should be good to go. The next thing I'm going to show you is to report your Facebook profile as compromised. And to do this, you're going to type in the URL facebook.com/hacked. Click on that, and you're going to select the My Account is Compromised. So then you're going to want to enter your Facebook mobile number or email, followed by your password. And once you've been logged in, you'll want to reset your password with the other methods I've listed above. If none of this works, you guys, it might be time to create a new Facebook profile with better security and a password that you remember. Facebook has a whole list of security checks and things you can do to keep your profile safe and secure at any time. As a bonus tip, I'll show you how to access these things. So you're going to launch your Facebook, hit your icon in the bottom right, and then you're going to hit the settings icon in the top right. You'll click on See More in Account Center, Password and Security. Then you'll click on the Security Checkup at the bottom, and you'll click on the account. And here It's going to give you a whole bunch of steps on how to keep your account secure, and you'll just follow all of the prompts on the screen. Alrighty, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. That's it for today's video. I hope that you found it helpful and that you can use this information or pass it on to somebody else who needs it. Thanks again, and I will see you guys in the next video.